Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm good. It's very hot outside. Why it's hot outside?
Because it's summer season. Do you know seasons?
Yes, my teacher told us about seasons.
Oh, wow. So answer my questions.
Yeah,
How many seasons are there?
4 seasons.
Very good. Tell the names of the seasons.
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Excellent job. Now let's talk about days of the week. How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Wonderful. Name the days of the week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Excellent. When do you have a holiday?
Sunday.
Very good job. Let's talk about Pakistan and its provinces.
Yay!
How many provinces are there in Pakistan?
5 provinces.
Name the 5 provinces of Pakistan.
Oh, it's a little difficult to answer, but let me try. Number 1, Punjab. Number 2, Sindh. Number 3, Balochistan. Number 4, KPK. Number 5, Gilgit-Baltistan.
Excellent job. Now, tell in which province do you live?
I live in Punjab.
Fantastic job.
Yeah.